Hi guys, welcome aboard Explorer of the Seas. We are excited to show you Junior Suite room number 9258. Take a quick look. I'm excited to explore all the features of this room with you. We just got into the room and I said, get out the camera, let's roll. So first of all, when we walk into the door, we have a light switch that controls the full room here. We'll find the temperature control somewhere, but we have two hooks here. We have closet here, bathroom here. So let's go to the bathroom first. We have 4 hooks here, and watch your step. We have sink, shelf, trash can, flush, of course. Up here we have towels, another bar for towels. Let's look at the storage here. We have 3 shelves here, another 3 shelves here. We have some glasses, two cups, and over behind me, you'll see not a shower, but a shower and a bathtub, which is pretty deep, which is very nice. The handle does, of course, come off as usual. It goes up and down. And we have the upgraded conditioner, soap, and shampoo. There we go. And we also have dun, da, 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 a clothesline, which is terrific. So, because this is a transatlantic cruise, I will be doing some laundry on board, which I will show you that process, but I will hang them up in there. Some of them. Let's check out the closet. We have our robes. We have these fold down bars, which we never use, but you never know. We have hangers. I don't know if that's going to be enough, but we'll try to make it work. If not, we can ask for more. This area is very exciting. Lots of shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves, plus room for shoes below. We also have our slippers. If you get a junior suite or a suite, you get bathrobes and slippers. So very exciting. Here we have a little shelf, which could be useful to, if I don't want to hang my purse up, I could put it here. Also nice for little papers that you get. We have our bed, which is 2 twins pushed together to make a king. In the nightstands, there is 1 drawer, small drawer, and then a cubby below, and we have that on both sides. Let me see. How do you work? That works like that. Sconce light and reading light. So that'll be nice. And we also have that on the other side of the bed. We don't see any outlets on either side of the bed. So if you have a CPAP, that's not going to work here without asking them for an extension cord. So they're always happy to accommodate that. So we have a full sofa here, coffee table, and 2 club chairs, I guess you would call them. This, what does this control? Must be for the balcony. Okay, cool. All right, let's focus on this side of the room because I'm actually most excited about this. Let me move this out of the way here. Look at all this storage. In addition to the walk-in closet, There's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubbies here, which is amazing. Ah, here's the thermostat. It's just a dial. You go colder, warmer. We like it warmer. Here we have a little cubby. This is perfect for like hairspray, sunscreen, stuff like that. We have another on this side. Let me turn on the vanity light. We have a nice wide vanity slash desk. And I'm very excited because we're going to be working on board this transatlantic cruise. Marshall and I will each have a desk because there's one here and there's one here. His and hers desks. Yay. Okay, so let me move our waters just to see what we have here. We do have one European outlet here. And then we have 2 American outlets here. So that's fine. We can run a cord over from that desk to plug in there, and then we'll have the other laptop plugged in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. This one's more narrow. Same deal on this side. Same exact number of drawers, 4 there, and 1 in the middle with, of course, the hanging room service menu, which we do like to use that, especially when we're working, because we can order breakfast and especially coffee service to get started in the day. And then there's also the full room service menu in addition. There's the breakfast menu, and then this is the all-day menu. Okay, so the center area, we have 1 large shelf on top, and then of course we have our safe. There's also additional storage here, so I could put my little clutches that I use for dinner, my little bags here. Look at this deep cabinet. This deep cabinet, I don't even know what we'll use it for, but there it is. And on this side, we have more shelving. This is amazing, the amount of storage in this room. And then, of course, down here we have our fridge slash cooler. Ooh, that feels really cold. That's great. Marshall and I each get 5 drinks a day, so I like to have plenty of bottled water and then also Diet Coke or whatever else. So that's the inside room. Have I missed anything? Oh, I see a mirror. Mirrors here and here. I guess this is what would qualify as a full length mirror. I don't think there's one in the closet, no. Okay, so this is the longest mirror. Can't quite see the shoes, but it'll work. Okay, I have not even been out here yet, so let's go check it out. We are still in the port of Miami, and it's quite an industrial area, so you may not be able to hear me. If not, I will voice over, but I at least want to show it to you. Let's go. Two sitting chairs and a table. It's long, but it's pretty narrow. But this will be nice. I love having a balcony. They're still loading the luggage, huh? You want to see what it looks like in port? Check it out. There's luggage there. Provisions. There are plenty of provisions being loaded on because this is quite a long sailing across the Atlantic Ocean. So we're starting from Miami and our first stop is the Azores on day 8. So that is a lot of days going across the sea, and we are excited and ready for it. So we will be filming lots of things, including excursions and life on board the ship for a week, all those sea days. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and be sure to like this one. Talk to you soon.